Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel Ruksar Official, and I think we all must have seen Aishwarya Rai Bachchan in the L'Oreal Paris ads of Total Repair 5 giving us the tagline 5 problems, 1 solution, correct? So you all know what product I'll be reviewing today. From then to now, the product still manages to do wonders to your hair. So in the past, I've had severe dry and frizzy hair issues at one point, after which L'Oreal Paris products entered and helped my hair bounce back from all the damages I used to as a kid cause my hair and make my hair go through with the heating machines I used to use always. So the hair problems are not only caused by constant coloring and using heating machines, but also by external aggressors like pollution, UV rays, change of climate, etc. And what's even better about this range, it has keratin excess, which can help you get healthy hair in no time. This range consists of 1 shampoo, 1 conditioner and 1 serum, which can repair 5 signs of damage. In the past, I've always struggled with finding the right products for my hair that can prevent any kind of damage and also provide nourishment to my hair, which is long lasting and can help my hair stay healthy, and that is where this range comes in providing everything that I need and to manage and maintain the health of my hair.
The L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 range has one solution to 5 problems like dehydration, brittleness, split ends, straw-like texture, and stiffness. And the best part, it's infused with keratin excess that penetrates deep into the hair fiber, hence giving the most quick and effective results. There are 3 steps to use this range. Step 1, shampoo for daily use. Step 2, conditioner for daily use. And step 3, serum once a week. Let's start with the application. Start off by cleansing the hair with the Total Repair 5 repairing shampoo and apply it on your hair and scalp thoroughly till the lather generates. Massage it deep into your roots and then wash it out after keeping it for a few minutes in your hair. Once the shampoo is rinsed out, then I use the Total Repair 5 Restoring Conditioner. You start with applying the conditioner on your hair strands only and not on your scalp, from your mid-lengths to the ends of your hair, coating each strand. Let it sit for a few minutes and wash it out later. Together they help to get rid of dry and frizzy hair, hydrate and repair damaged hair. And these 2 products can be used on a daily basis. Last but not the least, this is the Nourishing Oil Serum, which you can use once a week. You can apply it on your entire hair and just see the difference afterwards. I can definitely recommend this product because after applying this range, my hair feels and looks so amazing. It's so smooth and shiny compared to what it used to be. As you can see, it has completely restored the health of my hair. I'll be showing a comparison shot. This is the footage of my hair when it was rough and really not in great shape, compared to the next shot. With just one use, my hair transformed into smooth and shiny and glossy hair. As you can see, 5 hair problems fixed with just one solution. Look at how nourished, glossy and shiny my hair looks now.
I look forward to using the L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5 range in my weekly hair care routine because I've seen how effective the results are and how long lasting it is by using it every day on a daily basis. Say no to split ends, frizzy hair, dry hair, brittleness, straw-like texture and any other damages that can cause your hair to look undernourished. And the prices and the sizes of all the products will be mentioned in the description box below. And if you guys have any other questions, you can definitely comment and I will be sure to reply to all of those. So till then, see you in my next video. Bye bye.